Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about sponsored product branded keyword campaigns. My name is Dr. Vasamin and I am co-founder and CEO of Upscale Valley. In today's video, we are going to talk about the importance of targeting your branded keywords in all the placements available on Amazon. It's very important you do not allow anyone else, any other brand to cannibalize on your placements or to capitalize your brand worth, your demand, your brand's search basically. So for that, we need to understand how to target the branded keywords in the sponsor product. Definitely you need to target those in the headline search ad and maybe in the video ads as well, but also along with these, in today's topic we are going to stay specific for the sponsored product branded keyword campaigns. So just a quick example on top of my mind. Here is the brand name of Prestige. They are specialized in making and manufacturing the pressure cookers. But if you see, then their brand name placement is being utilized by the Philips. I'm not sure if there is any relevance in that or not, but just to give you guys an example. So if you scroll down a bit, the Prestige, you can see this product. So first product, second product, you can see that there is no particular targeting on the sponsored product top of search. So there is a gap in this placement. Then definitely, like headline search ad, this placement can also be capitalized by their competitors if Prestige brand is not giving attention to this part. If you scroll it down a further, you can see their video ads is also being captured by the Philips toothbrush brand. So there are many big brands, many big names which are not utilizing their branded keywords placements on the Amazon platform, and they are losing the opportunity to make money. Now definitely there is another debate of cannibalizing and all that, but if you are not representing yourself on the ad placements on the branded keyword, and any other more compatible, maybe better brand is utilizing those placements, then I'm not sure about cannibalizing, but still you are going to get a hit from that particular brand. So for that reason, I believe one should definitely cover all of the placements on your branded keywords. Now let's jump over to the discussion how we can research the brand keywords. For that, let me open up the Helium 10 magnet tool. And here I have mentioned another brand, Skull Candy, a famous earbuds and earphone brands. So I have mentioned this Skull Candy, and if you see, they have a decent search volume around 15,000 of only the brand main keyword. And definitely, there are tons of other keywords which do have this Skull Candy phrase in it. So if you accumulate the search volume, that's going to be a big number. But then if we see that on the filtered keywords, there are many irrelevant keywords which do not have the Skull Candy phrase in it. Like the first one, headphone base, workout headphone, wireless headphones. Now, definitely, maybe the Skull Candy products are indexed on these keywords, but these are not the one we are looking for. So what we need to do here is we need to mention the Skull Candy phrase here. Skull Candy, and then apply filter. You can also type the misspells here. For example, skull space candy. For example, maybe KNDY candy. So anything, you can also enter those phrases as well. So if we scroll down now, we can see out of maybe 8,000 or 9,000 keywords which were showing before, right now 4,000 keywords are being shown which are super specific to the Skull Candy brand. Like you can see Skull Candy method, sweat resistant, sport, earbud. So it has 86 search volume. If I sort that on the basis of search volume, okay, and just expanding it again. So Skull Candy headphones, 43,000, Skull Candy Crusher Evo, Skull Candy earbuds, wireless earbuds. We can kind of filter out all of those keywords. I just took a big fat example just to make it clear, but definitely All this video tutorial, it applies only to those brands which do have some search volume of their branded keywords, like let's say more than 3000, and which do have some keywords which have their branded phrase in it. Otherwise, if you are just starting out, then this video is not any use for you. Yeah, in other case, maybe you are providing service to any of your client, then but in that particular case it can be useful for you. So if we kind of explore that further, we can see there are you can kind of segregate your branded keywords into two types: branded general keywords and then branded specific keywords. Now this is a common thing in the market. Now today I'm going to show you how to differentiate between these two and what should be the targeting protocol for these two different types of keywords under the branded keyword umbrella. So if we see that, I would say skull candy headphone is a generic one, and then skull candy earbuds is a generic one, skull candy wireless earbuds is a generic one, headphone wireless bluetooth is a generic one. So all these keywords are generic here. So if we scroll down further, then this one, skull candy crusher ANC, this is a branded specific keyword. So if I search it on Amazon, we can see the keyword was crusher ink. So you can see there are some particular products named as hash ink, crusher ink. So crusher ink does exist. This is a particular specific product. So if you see crusher ink, this is one, and then hash HESH hash ANC, this is kind of an other product of skull candy. So these keywords, the crusher ink, you can see this is being used repetitively. This is a branded specific keyword. And then the second one, maybe skull candy earbuds, skull candy headphones. This is a branded general keyword. Now moving forward, we are going to discuss how to figure out which products are most relevant out of the whole portfolio of the brand, for the branded specific keywords and then for branded general keywords. And then at the step 2 level, we are going to discuss what should be the targeting protocol for both branded specific and branded general keyword. Because branded specific keyword is going to be a bit more simple, so I'm going to discuss that at the beginning. You need to download all of the list from Magnet to your Excel, and then you need to go through the list on your own, and maybe you can type a keyword like branded general keyword and branded specific keywords, and you need to name all those keywords. Then definitely you can utilize that list to segregate between the branded general, branded specific keyword. This is for those who are more detail oriented regarding their data, and they can do that. So what you need to do here is specifically you need to kind of go through the list manually and differentiate between the specific keyword and the general keyword. Now definitely the specific keyword should point out towards one particular product, so a name of a product is going to be bound to that. For example, the crusher ANC and the hash ANC skull candy products, those are the specific ones. But then if you see some of the keywords which do not specify to a particular product, for example, this maybe crusher evo is also a branded specific keyword. But then if you see the earbuds, like there can be dozens of different earbuds. If you see wireless earbuds, there can be dozens of different variations of wireless earbuds. So these are the generic ones. This is how you're going to separate these ones. Now, if we let's say we have segregated the branded specific keywords and we want to identify what are the S, and you are definitely targeting for that particular brand, and you need to identify which are the most specific essence for these brand specific keywords. You need to simply search that keyword on Amazon, and then you need to simply scroll it down. So if you see the organic result, you can see here the skull candy crusher evo, like similar to the keyword which has been put in the search term by us. So skull candy crusher evo, you can see that. So this is also a verification method of brand specific keywords, that if you type, like if you're confused about some keyword, if it is going to fall in the branded specific keywords or branded general keyword, then you can type that in the search term, and you can see if that same phrase is being repeated in the title, then this is a brand specific one. If not, then it's most likely a generic one. So this is for making it a bit more simpler. So after that, we have seen that yes, this is a brand specific keyword. Now the first question, what essence are most relevant for this kind of keyword? The answer is straight simple. These essence which are being shown on this particular skull candy crusher evo keyword on the top organic placements, these are the most specific essence. So maybe in your excel sheet you can add a third tab where you can copy these essence, and if these have some child variations you can copy those essence as well. Like let's say you can copy these essence from here, first one and then the second one and then the third one, and you can place those against the skull candy crusher evo keyword, or similar scenario maybe for hash ank and for the other keyword which we have seen. You can specify and mention all those essence which are relevant to those branded specific keywords in an excel sheet, and then you know when you're going to create campaigns which keyword to target against which essence. So this is kind of a straight thing to answer the question number one. Now the second question is what should be the targeting protocol in PPC for brand specific keywords? Because the search term is or the keyword is specific and the essence against which we are going to show is specific, and public do have demand for this particular keyword, so the probability of conversion is very high, almost more than 70-80%, and people are going to convert for that. So even if you target the exact phrase and broad all three match types in the same campaign, that's totally fine and that's totally good to go, because you are expanding the horizon in which if anyone kind of any customer deviates a bit from the main keyword, like let's say in this case skull candy crusher evo, even in that particular case if someone is deviating a bit, so we can cover that up with the phrase match and with the broad match, and it's going to expand the probability. But definitely if you are observing in the broad match ad group particularly, that it is showing altogether different types of search terms, because we are observing this kind of pattern in the sponsor product broad match targeting. So you can definitely skip that. So I would say to summarize the thing, you should start with targeting all three match types. If you see some deviating search terms, then most likely it is due to the fault of broad match, and you can negate the keywords which are being targeted in the broad match. So what I'm trying to say here is, let's say skull candy crusher evo under the same campaign in exact match, in phrase match, in broad match, and the essence at the backend can be, let's say we have seen these 3-4 essence of the skull candy crusher evo, we are going to put all those essence at the backend of the campaign. Now you are start running the campaign is performing. If you see some irrelevant kind of search terms being shown in the campaign after a history of maybe 2-3 weeks, then you can turn off the keyword which was being targeted in the broad match. So this was the instruction for the brand specific keyword. Now here comes the interesting part about the branded general keywords. Now here is the big thing. Let's say this is the keyword skull candy headphones. How we are going to know which keywords convert better for the skull candy headphones? So for the crusher evo, we know it must be the crusher evo product of the skull candy. But what about the skull candy earbuds? What about the skull candy wireless earbuds? Now either you can have an estimation that maybe this one converts, this one does not convert. So it comes to the trial and test method. How we can make this decision more data oriented? For that we have two options. First one is the straight one. You simply click on the link, let's say skull candy wireless earbuds, and once we have seen that, so you can see first, second, third. So this is the organically ranked product on the skull candy wireless earbuds. So it means on the organic basis or on the basis of conversion, this product skull candy sesh evo true wireless in ear bluetooth earbuds, this is converting the most. Now the second product which is converting the most is this one, dime true wireless earbuds. Now, the third one which is converting the most is JIB True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. So you get an idea. The method is same like it was for the brand specific keywords, that you are going to pick the top 3 or 4 organically ranked product. So what can be another way to validate this thing? We can go to the source top search term section in the brand analytics, and we can type the same search term here. Skull Candy wireless earbuds. Let's refine the results. And you can see Skull Candy wireless earbuds. What are the top three converting essence based upon the brand analytics? Now it's going to validate the same thing. Maybe any product which is ranked second or third on the search result, it may show up here on the top one. And it definitely, if we kind of change the data range to quarter, then that's going to give us a better picture, because if you are observing the search result, that's at the moment at your particular zip code. So it keeps on varying depending upon the different zip codes, different times of the day, due to availability of the product, if the stock is enough available in the FB or not. So that is a short range data, or a data or a decision depending upon the short term data, short based data. But here, if you set the reporting range quarterly, and let's say we have selected the year 2023, and for the first quarter, so this data range is based upon 3 months, and now it's going to show you a picture which is more reliable. So here you can see the dime 2 product, and then the sesh evo, which was maybe the first one, it is showing that on the second one, and then the third one is sesh evo. So it has in one way validated, and in other way validated with a more broad data for you, that which products should be picked up for these branded general keywords. And when it comes to the protocol of targeting these keywords in the PPC, I believe it's going to be, let's say, Skull Candy wireless earbuds, and you're going to target that in exact match. And in the essence section, you're going to put these three essence, and then you're going to track their performance for at least a month, and see which essence is perform. Either is going to be all three essence are performing above your minimum threshold, so you're going to run all three. Otherwise, maybe one essence is performing better and other two are not, so you can definitely test and try different essence as well. So this is how you can capitalize on your branded search term and save it from the competitor's utilization or the competitor's attack. So it can be a hit if any of the potential competitor identifies such gaps on your product and start targeting that. So this is more like a defensive mechanism. That's all in today's video. I'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, goodbye.